Yeah, I'm fucked up. No one else will give you what you need. Yeah, I'm toxic, completely fucked up. I am satisfaction guaranteed.